Alright guys, so today we are going to do windshield wipers on my 2002 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's for multiple years. It's this body style here. I got the Rain-X windshield wipers on Amazon, pretty cheap, and they came within a day or two. I'll open that package up. Before I did any of it, I washed the windshield with Rain-X. This stuff is really good. Cleans it, and then it also treats it so that the water beads up off of there pretty good. These wipers are just trashed right now. They smear water right now. So treated the glass. I'm gonna open up this new set right here. Package it, the packaging off of it. So the labels are. They sent me microfiber with their advertisement all over it. I'll go ahead and open this stuff up. So there's the blades. Comes with the directions. Pretty sure this is all we gotta do, that we don't have to add that piece in, as I don't think that our blades have this type on it. I'm pretty sure ours are the hooks. So we're gonna be doing it like this up top. The blades up in here. Like so. And there's like a flap on the back here. Let's see if it'll focus in. Trying to focus on other stuff. Come on, focus. Like my eyes. Just had LASIK. You don't want to always focus. There we go. There's a flap right here. See if we push that, and then this will slide right off. Oh no, it slides off this way. Slides right off like that. So you got a little flap right there. You just push it up and pull the thing right off. Same with this side. Find the little flap right there. And we can pull it off. I'm going to need both hands for this side because it's an odd way. But you just push the flap like this and then slide it down. Here, it off. Again, the little flap is right there. Just push it and then pull the whole thing down. Oh look, see this one clicked in like that. It's a different setup. We're doing the Rain-X. We don't need these. These are for a whole different deal. It's off to the side. So both of them are the same size, so that doesn't matter at all. You see how it's curved. So it'll just go up. So let's do this again. I just take and slide it right up in, and then all the way up. And it should click into place. It is not doing that though. Why not? It's not going up far enough, maybe. Hold on. I may need those after all. No. It's supposed to slide right up on and click into place. Here, you know what? Hold on. Oh, I was wrong. These are too small for this. This actually will slide up into place and click on with these two tabs right there and stay. And then these two tabs will release it. So we need to replace this inner piece. So we're going to push this out, this piece right here. We're going to remove it just by pushing it out. I use both my thumbs. I put a thumb on this side and a thumb on the other side. I need both hands. But pry it off, whatever you got to do, get it off there. Just kind of unclicks, you feel it, and then it comes off. And then this one, we're going to put it on the center setting. And pop it back in. Just got to push it down until it clicks into place. Then we're gonna line it up. So we're gonna rock this in a little bit so that it aims out a little bit. And we're gonna get it right up into that slot there, and then push till it clicks. Boom. And then you see the tabs are on the outside of this, and it's on there nice and tight, just like it's supposed to be. Perfect. All right, and we're gonna do it one more time with this one. Push this tab out using both thumbs. You know, you just push down on this end until it kind of aims up, and then push this end out. And you got to use both both hands. On clicks, it doesn't take a huge amount of effort because the bottom of the hook holds it in place, so it doesn't take a huge amount of effort. Then we want to make sure that this one is going to go on right, so you kind of line it up. We don't want to have backwards. Line up how it's going to go. You put the middle piece on, and push until it clicks in. And we're going to go over here again. We're going to angle this upwards slightly just so we can get it to line up into there, like so. Get on up in, and then pull until it clicks. And then you know it's in place when those two tabs are holding on to the outside of that right there. If you can see it or not. See it or not. But you'll see the tabs on the outside. See them just squeezing down on the outside of this. And that's in the right spot. Again, I'll put these windshield wipers on in the link below, or in the description below. Just click on the link. These are garbage, throw them in the garbage. We want to do a real quick check, make sure it's working, that they're working properly. Turn it on, turn them on, and see that they go up and down. Spray a little water on there or whatever, and make sure that everything's right. Alright guys, that concludes this how-to video. Pretty easy. It's way easier when you're using both hands. It takes a lot less time than this video even. If this helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. If you want to buy these specific windshield wipers, they're in the link below. Strongly suggest this. Great for the glass. I mean, that glass is nice and shiny and clean. The rest of the truck is nice and dirty. Alright guys, hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, click the link below. Peace.